Welcome. By booking your place on a day in the life of a street photographer, you've already taken the first step towards becoming a more confident photographer. I'm genuinely glad you're here, because most people don't struggle with photography, they struggle with getting started. The camera sits on a shelf or in a drawer, waiting for the right moment, waiting until they know enough, waiting until they feel ready. The truth is, almost everybody starts there. That's why Walk 1 exists. You'll join me on a live photo walk through Leeds where I'll show you exactly how I work, how I approach people, how I start conversations, how I frame a scene, and how I make the photograph. So let me tell you what to expect. We'll meet outside Leeds Town Hall on the Headrow at 10 a.m. on Saturday. The group will be small, between 3 and 8 photographers. Some will be complete beginners, others will have a little more experience, but everyone is there for the same reason, to learn, to explore, and to grow in confidence. We'll start with a relaxed chat, a chance to break the ice, get to know each other, and find out where everyone is on their photography journey. There's no pressure on these walks, no expectations, and absolutely no competition. Once we're settled, I'll talk you through the camera settings I personally use for street photography. Nothing overly technical, nothing complicated. Just the settings that work for me and the reasons behind them. And remember, there is no such thing as a silly question. Ask me anything at any point during the walk. As we head into the city, I'll talk through my thought process in real time. You'll see how I find photographs, how I read a scene, how I spot opportunities, and how I connect with people long enough to create a portrait. Everything we do on Walk 1 is designed to help you become more comfortable, more confident, and more curious when you're out on the streets with your camera. Because once you take that first step, something starts to change. The camera spends less time in the drawer and more time in your hands. That's where photography begins. You don't need to force anything. You don't need to prove anything. Just be present, watch, observe, let the experience unfold, and enjoy every moment of it. Bring whatever camera and lens you already have. Wear comfortable shoes, and bring an open mind. That's genuinely all you need. I'm really looking forward to meeting you all. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me